Hey everybody, Josh with True Craft Barbecue here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pretzel crust pizza, but not just any pretzel crust pizza, a barbecue chicken pretzel crust pizza with beer cheese on top. So let's go outside, I'll show you how to make it. To start, oil a 12-inch pizza pan very well. The reason I'm using a 12-inch pan is because I'm going to cook this on the Karu, and I want to have some room to actually get in there and rotate it throughout the cook. The dough ball I'm using is about 120 grams, and as you can see, I'm stretching it over the sides, very much like making a pie. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to be able to fold over the crust to have a more pronounced edge around the pan. So very lightly, I'm just making sure the pizza fits on the bottom of the pan, taking the excess dough with the tips of my fingers and just rolling it over in a nice and uniform fashion. What I'm doing is just pinching the crust over on itself just to make a thicker outside edge. This is going to be important to make the pretzel crust. Now, once your dough is inside the pan, the first thing you want to do is add some barbecue sauce. So just do a small swirl around the outside and then slowly make your way in. The next thing we're going to put on top is some pre-cooked chicken. So this is a smoked chicken breast that was made the night before. I like to do smoked chicken just because it gives the pizza a really good flavor and some good texture. So after your chicken is on there, you're going to do a couple dollops around the pizza with beer cheese. Now, if you're interested in making the beer cheese to add on this, the recipe is down below. If not, you could just use any sort of shredded cheddar. So the last step is to actually make the pretzel crust. To do that, we have an alkaline solution. It's about 8 grams of baking soda into 5 grams of warm water. And what we do is we're just gonna brush it on. Starting on the outside edges, put a nice amount on there. And as you work your way around the dough, keep in mind that if you were to do this on a regular peel, water and pizza peels do not mix. So once the alkaline solution gets brushed on, that's the magic. That's what's gonna turn this into pretzel once it hits the high heat of the Ooni oven. The last step is to put a little bit of salt just around the outside edge, because as you know, pretzels have some salt on the outside. Now we're ready to cook. The Ooni is being preheated at 600 degrees Fahrenheit, stone temp, or about 315 degrees Celsius. You wanna put the pizza in there and cook as normal. Rotate every 15 to 20 seconds until the pizza has a really nice bake on it. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I hope you get out there and try to make your own pretzel crust pizza. If you have any questions at all, feel free to find me on Instagram. You can get me at True Craft Barbecue. Enjoy.